Big mistake if you are over 50 and using a smartphone with the factory settings. Your phone is quietly working against you every single day. Tiny text, harsh blue light, and hidden privacy options can make a simple call or message feel like a struggle. Today I will show you specific settings you can tap in just a few minutes to make your phone easier to see, easier to hear, and safer to use. Up next, we dive into clear promise. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which settings to change so your screen is larger, your ringer is louder, and your phone is less confusing. We will walk through brightness, text size, sound, emergency contacts, and simple privacy options step by step, without any tech jargon. You deserve a phone that works for you, not a device that makes you feel left behind. Up next, we dive into pain points. Maybe you have tapped the wrong contact because the names are crammed together, or missed a call because the ringtone was too soft in a noisy room. Many people over 50 tell me they feel embarrassed asking family to fix the same phone problems again and again. You do not have to feel confused or dependent every time your screen changes or a new update appears. Up next, we dive into bigger text. Bigger text. Let us begin with the setting that usually brings the biggest sigh of relief: text size. On most phones, you can go into your display or accessibility settings and slide a bar to make every word on your screen larger and clearer, including messages, contacts, and menus. Many people are surprised that this one change can reduce eye strain and stop that constant squinting at small icons. Up next, we dive brightness. Harsh blue light and screens set too bright can make your eyes feel tired, especially in the evening. In your display settings, you can lower the brightness, turn on a night or comfort mode, and set the phone to automatically adapt to the light in your room. Many viewers find that using a warmer color tone in the evening helps them relax and makes late-night scrolling less uncomfortable. Up next, we sound alerts. Missed calls and unheard notifications can cause real stress, especially when you are waiting for an important update from family or a doctor. In your sound settings, you can raise the ringtone volume, choose a clearer, longer tone, and even set your phone to vibrate strongly when someone calls. Some people also like to assign a special sound to close family members so they never miss those calls. Up emergency. Here is where it gets really interesting, because your phone can quietly become a safety tool, not just a gadget. Most smartphones have an emergency or medical information section where you can add your name, allergies, medications, and emergency contacts that can be seen from the lock screen. Many families feel more at ease knowing that if something happens, first responders may have quick access to privacy. You deserve to know what your phone is sharing about you and how to dial that back to a level you feel comfortable with. In your privacy or security settings, you can review which apps can see your location, access your microphone, or read your contacts, and turn off anything that feels unnecessary. Many people feel a real sense of relief after going through this list and removing permissions they never quiz check. Quick question for you. If you look at your phone right now, have you already changed your text size, your ringtone volume, and your emergency contact settings, or are they still on the default options that came with the phone? Think about which of those three would make the biggest difference to your daily life if you changed it today. You can even pause this video and adjust one setting right now. So, daily check to keep your phone working for you. It helps to run through a quick mental check every few months. Ask yourself if the text is still easy to read, if the brightness feels comfortable in both daylight and at night, and if you are actually hearing your calls and messages when they come in. Then glance at your emergency and privacy settings to be sure your information is up to date and only shared where notifications. Many seniors tell me the constant buzzing and popping up of notifications makes them want to throw the phone in a drawer. In your notification settings, you can choose which apps are allowed to interrupt you, which ones are silent, and which ones do not need to appear on your lock screen at all. Many people find that turning off non-essential alerts makes the phone feel peaceful instead of demanding.